Unit 1, some basic concepts of chemistry. Now we are going to significant figures. Okay, the question is how many significant figures are present in the following? Options are 0.0025, second one 285. What are significant figures? Every experimental measurement has some amount of uncertainty associated with it. The uncertainty in the experimental or the calculated values is indicated by mentioning the number of significant figures. The definition of significant figures. Significant figures are meaningful digits which are known with certainty. So how can we represent the number of significant figures? The total number of digits in a number, including the last digit whose value is uncertain, is called the number of significant figures. Let us indicate the significant figures by using an example. The mass of an object is 14.5678. We can measure the mass by using an analytical balance. But the accuracy of the analytical balance we used is 0.00018. Therefore, the actual mass lies between 14.5677 and 14.5679. Therefore, the certain values are 1, 4, 5, 6 and 7. But the value 8 is uncertain. The number of significant figures can be represented by the total number of certain digits and the last uncertain digits. So here the number of significant figures is 5 certain digits plus 1 uncertain digits and is equal to 6 significant figures. There are some rules for determining the number of significant figures. They are: number 1, all non-zero digits are significant. Example, in 6.9 it has two significant figures. Here all the digits are non-zero and are significant. Second rule, zeros between two non-zero digits are significant. For example, 2.003, zeros are in between two non-zero digits and therefore all the 4 digits are significant. Rule 3, zeros preceding the first non-zero digit are not significant. Example, 0.002. There are 3 zeros preceding the first non-zero digit, so they are not significant. Therefore, the number of significant figures here is 1. Zeros at the end or right side of a number are significant if they are on the right side of the decimal point. For example, 0.200. The first zero is not included in the significant figures list due to rule 3. But the last 2 zeros are significant because they are on the right side of a number and also on the right side of a decimal point. So the number has 3 significant figures. Now rule 5. Counting numbers have infinite significant figures. For example, 20 eggs. There is no uncertainty in 20 eggs. So the number of significant figures is infinite. In exponential notations, the numerical portion represents the number of significant figures. For example, 0.00045. It can be expressed as 4.5 into 10 raised to minus 4 in terms of scientific notations. The numerical portion is 4.5 and therefore the number of significant figures in this number is 2. Now let us go to the question given. How many significant figures are present? In 0.0025 there are 2 significant figures and second option 285 has 3 significant figures in it. Hope you understood the lesson. Thank you. Please subscribe.